Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can turn off always on display feature on this device. So now when I turn off my screen, I can see that always on display feature is turned on. If you want to turn it off, all you need to do is go into device settings, scroll down a bit, choose lock screen and tap on the switcher next to always on display feature. So now when I turn off my screen again, I can see that always on display feature is definitely disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!